Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Ubuntu 21.04. This is latest release Ubuntu 21.04 desktop version. Installation from VirtualBox. Uh, 21.04 Start installation process. Yes, come up the new latest release 21.04 logo. So please wait for loading. Come up this installation wizard. Click Install Ubuntu and auto select Welcome Install. Keyboard layout English US, continue. Normal installation and download and update while installing Ubuntu, continue. Select erase disk and install Ubuntu. Install now. Write the changes to disk. Yes, click continue. Select your location. This time and click continue. Type your name, type any name and your computer name, Ubuntu 21, password and confirm password. Press continue. Yes, now welcome to Ubuntu. This is new look Ubuntu 21.04. This is latest release 22 April 2021. Now running installation process. Remaining 16 minutes or less. Now installation complete. We need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. So before restart, must be remove your ISO from go to device, optical device, and remove disk from force unmount and then restart now. Yes, installation done, and now log in using password. Yes, successfully log in. Skip this step, click next. Click next. Done. And this is new look Ubuntu 21.04. Release. Yes, Ubuntu 21.04. Code name Hirsute. Yes, pin done. IP address 100.12. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.